you're into model trains or model kits, you probably won't want to sit here for the next 3 minutes while I show a slideshow of Lulada. But rest assured, I'm going to do it anyway. I probably would have had better luck in the main, but you can only have so much luck, I suppose.
That's right.
But anyway,
and you had fun.
I did. I had a huge amount of fun, and I made a little slideshow.
Yeah, let's have a look.
So just like years gone by when people come to bore you, if you're into model trains or model kits, you probably won't want to sit here for the next 3 minutes while I show a slideshow of Lulada. But rest assured, I'm going to do it anyway.
Yeah.
Let's see what I've got here.
Just click over to YouTube Shorts in the meantime.
Hey, look at where's this bloke?
Oh my God.
That was my little pit station. That was the pit bench there.
With the Rubik's bags?
Yeah, Rubik's bag. They've got the Coyote prototype charger.
Big Coyote charger.
Yeah, that's running the tire warmers as well as charging the 9 steps pack. And you can see the track's a bit damp in that. Huge facility. So that's looking at one half of the track. This is looking at the other half.
Yeah.
I mean, they're big cars. Needs to be a big track. You can see damp, patchy, wet when we got there Friday. This is me, I think, in Q1 Saturday. So first qualified on track. The cars are out in the heat before. I'm in the pit, warming the engine, tire warmers on, ready to go out. There we go. Look at it sitting pretty. That was practice day. I can tell by the black wheels. Had practice tires on. Car was really good. I had problems with the brake line on Friday. So bled the brakes up. There it is there in the back of the caliper.
Yep.
The rain came.
It was super wet.
Wasn't it? It just came, and then it would be sunny. So everybody's out in the blowers and the mops, literally, and towel drying it. Managed to burn up some tires still. Friday Arvo. That's John Hammond's car, crew chief of RS5, the brand car that I've been racing of Rudy's.
GTS.
As the RS5. That's right. Look at it. I love my little pit thing. These are the cars. Saturday morning, the start of the event, they have like a concourse thing. All the cars line up and I don't actually know who won because I wasn't there to the very end. There's the 5th scale bikes. They're electric. They're not petrol. There's a mini class, which is like a stock. It's more of a spec level class, which is good. Also the trucks, which are cool. It's not my thing, but they people love them. Yeah. There's me with the tire warmers on in the pits, getting ready to go out. You can see pit lane's quite wide as far as the mechanic. I broke a clutch spring in my first qualifier. That's a beautiful milky clutch I've got. They're fully rebuildable. But bleeding the brakes as well. I ran out of brakes as well in Q2 in the rear brakes. And then rain came before Q3.
More rain.
Yep. So I snuck around the pits. And I got all permission for these, but I thought I would take some photos of some of the beautiful machinery that's around. Like I said, the package that I'm borrowed off Rudy is 10 years old, but these are all the latest whiz-bang stuff. You're talking 4-piston brake calipers. You're talking really exquisite piece of machinery.
Wow.
Burjo's car, he's the national champ at the moment. He's running an Italian brand called Mecatech. Yeah, they seem to be pretty popular at the moment.
For this scale?
Yeah, for this scale. So you got a few brands of chassis. But yeah, some really, really nice prepared cars.
Are they direct order?
No, I think Burjo is the Australian distributor for them.
Okay.
The same as like Johnny Hammond is for RS5 in Australia, who was helping me out all the way down from Queensland. The fast guys, Craig Hawkins, Steve Burgess, Mike. There we have John's car, the RS5, the latest spec. John still uses a steel jerry.
For petrol.
Because it's better for fuel. There you go. Look at that. There's a rainbow.
Why is it better for fuel?
It's more stable. There's Johnny, old Johnny Hammond there.
Nice.
There's somebody rebuilding their shocks and trying to get more pace out of their car. Beautiful shocks on these cars, really nice. Titanium nitride coated shock shafts and stuff going in. Piggyback reservoir on them. There you have some of the air cleaner arrangements.
Yep.
That's young Liam. He also races Yokomo off-road products. He races in the mini class. That's Liam's Mini. He's a good customer over there at the Hobby Man. And here at Hearns, there's some of his tyres that he was been cooking up on track. There's one of the bikes. I love these bikes. So they have like a little servo-controlled single-sided swing arm. This is a RG brand. RG Evolution is the model. This is club secretary Andy Bishop. Been in racing for many years across many disciplines. His 5th scale bike and car were up and about. He cleaned up on the weekend, no doubt. He's at TQ and the win. There's Johnny giving the touch of God to my car. There's young Rudy.
Rudy.
Hey,
With his glasses.
what a champ! That's so he can see.
Coke bottles.
He's gonna love that.
Absolutely.
He's not gonna
He's
love
stuck
that.
on-
He's not gonna love that photo at all. But every time I tried to take a photo of him, he made a point of
Oh, come on.
pulling a face.
Yeah.
So there's my mate Rude. It's his car. We had a ball racing together, laughing together.
So he's got the red E92.
He's got this one, yeah.
Yeah, and you got the white one.
I got the white
Did
one.
he paint his body himself?
He did paint his body
Yeah.
himself, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice. And you slave labored TFG into doing yours.
I did. So fifth scale wise, there's a couple more races on the calendar this year. I would love to take part in all of them, but we'll see. There's one round in Queensland in June. There's another round in New South Wales in September. And there's the Nationals back at Lulada in November. If nothing else, would love to do New South Wales and the Victorian Nationals. But yeah, we'll see. I'd love to go to Queensland because I could see Master Joe. I'd see our dad up there. Joe would come down from Bundy, and he'd be my pit man. He'd love it. But yeah,
Mr.
so
Joe.
that is a quick wrap up of fifth scale racing last week. Bit of RC news.
Congratulations.
Thank you to everyone. Thanks to John Hammond, Rudy, MRCCR Club, which is Lulada, all the competitors, everybody. It was really good. Thank you for having me, and I look forward to doing it again. What a blast.
Fantastic.